Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video, brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT strategies and profit for life, just like we're doing again today with massive profits in the bank. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Today's date, Monday, April 7th, 2014, and another record-breaking day for members. All right, if you're a member today, you took off your second half of 3D Systems for a 12+% gain from our alert to short it. All right, if you're a member, you took off your Visa short for a 10% gain in a couple weeks. If you're a member, in just a couple days, you made over 5% on the VXX, which we went long late last week. And if you're a member, you got a new alert on a key stock today to buy. If you're not a member, I suggest becoming one because the amount of money that we're making while the average investor is losing is ridiculous. All right? I've told people for months now. I said the biotech index was in a bubble. It is going to collapse. Okay? Look at the biotech index here on the daily chart. It is now in bear market territory, down from 275 to 220, nearing a buy potential entry point. That is a potential little level. And again, I will be potentially, I'm not sure. There's a couple levels here. This is number one right here, this area, the 200 to this little trend line, right around the 215 area. Once you get into 215, I think this could be a very lucrative opportunity for the IBB to be a long play. All right, there are other plays out there as well. I mean, look at Facebook, down again today, getting very close to my next potential buy level, which is right here at 53.65. All right, 53.65 is a very good level on Facebook. Now, again, I'm not guaranteeing I will buy at these levels. I will reanalyze them, and if I like them at that point, I will buy them and post it in the research center to members only. All right, this year alone, folks, our net gains have topped 100% for 2014, and we're only about 3.5 months into the year. Over 100% in net gains. Even if you only put 10% of your portfolio in each trade alert given this year, you'd be up over 10% for the year. Go find another person who's your friend or who you know or who works at your office who's even positive for the year. The markets are flat to negative for the year. We're up 10% plus. And that's just if you did 10%. If you put 25% in each position, that's fine. We don't recommend that, but that's your prerogative. We just call out the trades. You decide how you want to trade them. All right, I think we're kind of running at about an 85% success rate this year. Let me just bring up my track record here on the other screen. I want to see how many losers we've had this year in total. All right, looks like in total trades 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. 38 trades that were given in 2014 and closed out in 2014, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losers. That's amazing, folks. Take 5 divided by 38. That's an 87% success rate. 87% success rate. That's blockbuster. Hedge funds aren't doing this, folks. Even though they rig the markets according to Michael Lewis, they're not doing this. In any case, let's get into some other charts. Where's LinkedIn trading? Look at this. LinkedIn is getting very interesting. Very, very interesting here. Piercing this low, there's another little pivot down here. Getting intriguing to me on the LinkedIn chart. Very, very intriguing. All right. There are some stocks out that we must be watching for because there are going to be great opportunities. Going back to the SPY, this is a run from risk, and that's why you're seeing the NASDAQ lag again. And look at the markets just piercing that 50 MA on the daily chart. This is a big level on the markets. If we get through this, you could see continuation flush tomorrow. So there are opportunities. I mean, they're great opportunities. You just have to know what to look for. And if you know them, then you're in good shape ultimately, I think. I think at least. Okay? All right. So what else do I want to say today? I mean, right now, again, what else can you say? Nasdaq again is trading down now 75 points on the day. Dow is down 160. S&P is down 23. Massive selling across the board, and ultimately, we just have to find the charts that are setting up, and I see plenty of them. Yahoo, take a look at Yahoo's chart. I mean, tech sector is just getting rocked here. By the way, Yahoo's actually getting somewhat intriguing if it gets down to this area right here, the 32. I would say right around $32 level. Right around 32 even number looks pretty good. Another 65 cents. Maybe we get there tomorrow morning. So there's some very interesting levels here. Just scanning through my charts. Now, we are seeing certain stocks stronger today. If you're old school tech, money is rotating into you. Take a look at Intel today. Intel is trading up. I see I have a fib level here on the charts. We can erase that. We don't need it now. But look at Intel. Intel's done fantastically. It's almost a double top here. How about Cisco? Cisco's old school tech. And Cisco's green today. Hewlett Packard. Hewlett Packard's down slightly, but only down 5 cents when the NASDAQ is getting pounded. IBM. Look at IBM. IBM's up $2.56. So if you're old school tech, you are in rocking and rolling here. You are happy as can be. If you're not old school tech, you're in trouble. Just that simple. All right. Couple other things to go over here, guys. Going back to the SPY. You guys know I've been talking about a bigger sell-off in the works, and I think we're beginning to see that. I do think there are going to be big bounces, though, because eventually these tech stocks that are getting beaten down are going to have a huge bounce. And it's kind of up to us to kind of recognize that and follow it and play it accordingly. So I'll be watching that extremely closely here. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and put out another trade alert right now as I see another stock on my watch list that's into a level that I do like. So be ready. Let's go to the Qs chart. Last chart we'll look on here. And look at that drop on the Qs. By the way, Qs should get down to about here in this range. It's almost kind of getting in that range, and then the 200 after that. But this is an amazing sell-off on the Qs on the NASDAQ 100. If you're, small cap, mid cap, large cap tech, except for the old school tech, you're getting hammered. Take a look at Baidu, one more chart. Just so many good charts and good sell-offs here to look at. I mean, just think about Baidu. Baidu was trading at $190 per share a month ago. Literally a month ago. It is now at $141 a share. Think about that. $50 drop on less than a $200. That's 25% drop on the stock. 25% in a month. That's called a revaluation. And we're here to profit from it, guys. It's that simple. I got to get back and put out this trade alert. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.